Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie treats. So you need Rice Krispies, marshmallows, dairy-free butter, vanilla extract, and you've got measuring spoon and also some fine salt. So put your bowl onto the weighing scales and measure out 40 grams of the dairy-free butter. And then you want to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 full teaspoon of vanilla extract. This then needs to be microwaved and mixed up together. Then you're adding in 200 grams of marshmallow, so this is the whole pack in this case. And then microwave that, and it comes out of this sort of consistency. Then I've got 140 grams of Rice Krispies. I added it in 3 batches, just making sure it could all get covered. And that's the end result. So this part's very sticky, so I'm tipping it into a non-stick baking tray. This one is from Lakeland. And then I'm using a silicone spatula just to squash it down. You don't want to squash it down too much with a rolling pin or something like that, because you don't want the Rice Krispies to get completely crumbled. But just pat it down. This bit is sped up as a sort of time lapse of me smoothing it down. And then these cutters are from Amazon. My sister got them for me for Christmas, and I'm using the large one and just pushing it down. Try not to let your hands touch too much of the mixture, because particularly this first sheet was very sticky. And then put the cut out Rice Krispie shape onto a chopping board. Continue doing this. So I got 5 out of the first tray, and then I am now smoothing it down again. And in the end, I did this maybe 4 or 5 times. So each time it got a little bit less sticky. And there's the end result. So I decided to make 5 little ones. So I just did a few with the lollipop sticks, because at Disney World and Disneyland, some of them have lollipop sticks in them, and some of them are just a treat that you hold in your hand. So I left those to sort of dry for about an hour, and then these are the toppings. So I've got dairy-free vegan toppings. So these would be vegan, aside from the marshmallows, they are not vegan, because jelly tarts are accidentally vegan. This red food colouring is to make the white chocolate red, like Mickey Mouse. So there's my chocolate. I didn't actually microwave that much of the dark chocolate, and I did both bars of white chocolate because I really wanted to use a lot of white chocolate. So I've got a teaspoon for each of the chocolates, and I'm just smoothing it down on top of the Rice Krispie shape. And then these are the Dozy and Dam M&Ms. Here's a close-up of me smoothing the white chocolate all over a Mickey Mouse head. So I really like the look of this one, it's definitely my favourite. And then here I am adding the Christmas red food colouring into the white chocolate, and now I'm spreading it on, and it's got this really vibrant colour. So here are my finished designs. So this would give you some inspiration. So some of them are like white and dark chocolate marbled. I've got the jelly tarts, some of them I've left plain, the little ones are left plain, and this one is my favourite, this one on a stick, a white chocolate one. So I'm really pleased with how they all turned out. Thank you for watching, bye!